On behalf of ADOT Business Engagement and Compliance, BECO welcomes you to How to Report Payments in the DBE System. This video will demonstrate how prime contractors and consultants report payments in the DBE system for all subcontractors that are doing work. Before reporting payments, if you are a prime contractor or consultant, you will need to know that an audit generally opens on the first of the month for the previous month's payments. For example, a December audit that opens on the 1st of January is for payments made during the month of December. The prime has until the 15th of the month to report payments. Subs and lower tiers have until the end of the month to confirm payments. Any payments not confirmed within 45 days will be considered confirmed. If primes report by the 15th of the month and their respective subs and/or lower tier subs verify the payment information by the last day of the month, payment reporting for that audit period will be considered timely and compliant. The payment reporting process starts when primes are generally prompted to report payments for the audit period via email. Those notifications are system generated from the adot@dbesystem.com email address and are sent out to all primes that received payments for that month from ADOT. If you find you are not receiving notifications, check your junk email or run a test via the DBE system. The notification email requests that primes report payments for the recently opened audit month. Click the link in the email to respond. Please note that the audit email notification is a courtesy reminder, and that ultimately it is the prime's responsibility to actively monitor and report payments in the DBE system. After clicking the link in your email, you will be directed to the ADOT DBE system login. Proceed and log into your account. Once you log into the ADOT DBE system, you will be redirected to the audit. If the email notification was deleted or if you cannot locate it, you can still access your audit by logging on to the ADOT DBE system, selecting View from the menu, then selecting My Contract Audits, and complete all of the contracts with an incomplete audit status. Click Report to Subcontractor Payments. Payment reporting can be done all at once or individually. You may select Submit All Incomplete Records, or you can click on each Submit Response link to submit payments for each sub individually. If you click Submit All Incomplete Records, you may enter all the payment information all at once. First, enter the payment for the payment month. Enter the date the subcontractor was paid, and if they were paid promptly, meaning the sub was paid within 7 days of the prime being paid, as required on the contract specifications. Fill out the payment details such as a check or invoice number. If necessary, you may also enter comments or attach documents. Note the description about the payment section and what information is public or private. Repeat these steps for all subcontractors. Click Save. If you choose to submit payments individually, select a subcontractor by clicking Submit Response. Once you are on the individual audit screen, enter the payment amount for the payment month. Enter the date the subcontractor was paid and if they were paid promptly. Fill out the payment details such as a check number. If necessary, you may also enter comments, which are only visible to your compliance officer, or attach documents such as a copy of a check. Click Review. Review the information and click Save. Repeat these steps for all subcontractors. After you click Save, you will return to the Audit Summary screen. If there are any remaining subs that did not receive a payment for that month, click Mark Remaining Subcontractors as 0. There is a time limit for reporting payments. The audit will lock after 45 days. All payments must be reported by the Prime by the 15th of the month. Any payments reported later than the 15th are subject to sanctions. You will have an opportunity to request an extension to your audit by clicking Request Extension. However, this will not affect whether sanctions are applied. Reporting payments late and/or incorrectly will result in liquidated damages. If you incorrectly report a payment, you will need to contact your Contract Compliance Officer and request that they update the audit. The Contract Compliance Officer, or CCO, is the agency staff member that is responsible for managing the contract in the DBE system and is the point of contact for firms. To conclude, here are a few key items to remember when reporting payments. It is the Prime's responsibility to report payments. In order to be considered timely and compliant, Primes must report payments by the 15th of the month. Subs must then confirm the payment by the end of the month. Any payments not confirmed within 45 days will be considered confirmed. And finally, if you require assistance with your audit, contact your Contract Compliance Officer as early as possible. On behalf of ADOT Business Engagement and Compliance, thank you. We welcome you to get answers when you need them by visiting ADOT Business Coach on Demand at www.azdot.gov/businesscoach. You've got questions, we've got answers. BECO, ADOT's Business Engagement and Compliance Office, the producer of this video, facilitates access and equal opportunity for disadvantaged business enterprises and small businesses in federal transportation projects, and promotes a diverse workforce within the transportation industry. Compliance is our driver, and opportunity as our destination.